Where everyone demands your trust, we prefer to give you ours. Aryabhata Learning Forum Private Limited.
Good morning, all of you. In the last class, we discussed the zero order reaction. Now, today we discuss what happens at first order reaction. Actually, this first order is the very important because the maximum questions are coming from that first order only. In NEET and JEE, questions, order related questions, they came from either zero order or first order. 90% of the questions came from the first order. Here already I proved and I given that zero order first order rate constant formula k equal to 2.303 by t into log of a by a minus x. फिर ऑलरेडी पिछले वीडियो में तो हम इंट्रोड्यूस किया था ये मतलब क्या है a is initial concentration of the reactant, x means reactant reacted in t time. ठीक है, means actually what it is formula tells here means ये से शुरू हुआ था a minus x reached यहाँ तक कितना टाइम लिया था टी टाइम लिया मीन्स इन टी टाइम reactant come from a to a minus x means x conjugate, so how much remains? A minus x remains. Next, half life or t half or t50%. This also previous class explained. Half life means what you take here, half of the reactant react, half of the reactant react मतलब x equal to क्या substitute करना पड़ेगा a by ठीक है, इस फॉर्मूले में substitute कर x equal to a by 2, t equal to t1 by 2, अभी क्या आएगा k is equal to 2.303 by t1 by 2 log of a by a minus x का जगह क्या substitute करना पड़ेगा a by 2 substitute कर, तो क्या आएगा this is a minus a by 2 means what will come से log of a by 2, ठीक है, a cancel, this is what is after that log, so 2.303 by t half और t half इधर मूव करो, log the value how much 0.3010 by t. Actually this value multiply this will come 0.693 by t. ठीक है, ये भी याद रख 2.308 into 0.30 that value will be 0.693 क्योंकि कुछ क्वेश्चन हम जल्दी सॉल्व करने के लिए ये यूजफुल होता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि 0.693 मीन्स 2.303 by 0.3. आगे देखो t half is equal to 0.693 by ये हाफ लाइफ का फॉर्मूला में कोई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टर्म है नहीं, दिस इज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ ए फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन मींस हाफ लाइफ is independent on concentration of the reactant, means this means how to solve this one means here shortcut. Now we discuss here applications regarding that first order based upon this half life. So what is this one here? Half life is independent. Its meaning is, for suppose we started with 100 molar to 50 molar. For suppose here some t seconds of time taken. Now 50 becomes 25, means 50 में half 25. इसके लिए कितना टाइम लेगा? 3 seconds only. 25 to 12.5. How much time takes? 3 seconds only. 12.5 to 6.25. How much time takes? 3 seconds only. Means half life is independent of the concentration. Means 100 से half कितना 50. 100 से half करने के लिए 3 seconds टाइम ले रहा है, फिर 50 में हाफ कितना है 25, यहाँ तक भी 30 सेकंड टाइम ले रहे हैं, फिर इसमें हाफ 50 सेकंड, इसमें हाफ 50 सेकंड, मींस हाफ ऑफ करने में सेम टाइम ले। अभी इधर ये भी याद 100 to 50 मीन दिस इज t 50%, 100 to 25, 100 में कम 20 का मतलब कितना कंज्यूम हो गया 75% कंज्यूम हो गया, t 75, यहाँ से यहाँ 100 to 12.5 कितना कंज्यूम हो गया t 87.5% and this one 6.25 means t 93.75%, ठीक है. Now remember this also here t 50% is t seconds, t 75% how much seconds 2t, t 50% के लिए t सेकंड टाइम लिया था, so t 75% के लिए कितना टाइम 2t seconds, t 87.5% कितना 3T. T. 93.75%. How much here? 4T. Or you can write this one as 2T half, 3T half, 4T. Okay. First order में this is important. क्योंकि when you know this logic, we can solve very difficult questions or some questions within the less time. Mainly for the NEET exam. NEET exam में तो time ही the major role play करते हैं. तो ये या this is you know then you can solve easy. तो इनके पास हम हमको एक क्वेश्चन है. I will explain one question. Next question you solve your. ठीक है? वीडियो पास करके solve कर रहे हैं. Then I give the question. तो सब हमको क्वेश्चन दिया था for suppose in a first order reaction. Concentration of reactant change from like this. What is it? First of all, 30 molar to 15 molar is some 5 seconds. अभी क्वेश्चन क्या बोलते हैं? Then time required change in concentration from something given 10 molar to 1.25 molar is gaseous. ठीक है. कोई भी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर क्वेश्चन दिया है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऐसे 10 मोलर to 1.25 मोलर ऐसे कोई भी क्वेश्चन दिया है तो पहले क्या चेक करना पड़ेगा? पहले you have to check it here. The concentration is dividing into half or not. Concentration is dividing into half or not. ठीक है. पहले हमको 30 to 15 मोलर के so 30 to 15 means 30 में हाफ कितना है? 15. सो हमको क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया था? 3 हाफ वैल्यू कितना दिया था? 5 seconds is given. How much given? 5 seconds is given. Now अभी क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहे? 10 मोलर to 1.25 मोलर. Before applying this one, पहले चेक करना पड़ेगा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर लॉजिक अप्लाई. सो 10 मोलर 10 में हाफ कितना था? 5 मोलर 5 में हाफ कितना था? 2.5 मोलर 2.5 में हाफ कितना था? 1.25 मोलर. सो 10 to 1.5 हाफ में डिवाइड हो रहा है. सो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का स्पेशलिटी क्या है? हाफ लाइफ इज कांस्टेंट. सो 10 to 5 मोलर इट टेक्स 5 सेकंड्स. लेकिन 5 to 2.5 से कितना टाइम ले रहा है? 5 सेकंड्स ही टाइम ले रहा है. 2.5 टी कितना ले रहा है? 5 सेकंड्स ही ले रहा है. सो टोटल कितना था? 10 मोलर to 1.25 मोलर. हाउ मच टाइम टेक्स? 5 + 5 + 5 means how much time takes here? 15 seconds. So answer is 15 seconds. ये शॉर्टकट आना है. ये शॉर्टकट नहीं पता है तो इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. तो इधर तो सिंप्लिफिकेशंस लेंथी एंड इट टेक्स मोर टाइम. हमको एग्जाम हॉल में ये सब नहीं चलता है. एग्जाम हॉल में यू कैन सेव द टाइम बाय अप्लाइंग लाइक दिस. ठीक है? अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ टू अप्लाई है. नाउ आई विल गिव वन क्वेश्चन. ठीक है? क्वेश्चन देते हैं तो सॉल्व कर दिस. ठीक है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये तो क्वेश्चन इज गिवन. क्वेश्चन देते हैं पॉज करके सॉल्व. ठीक है? इट इज गिवन for a first order reaction, half life is for suppose 7 minutes. Then time required to change in concentration from for suppose this 80 molar to 2.5 molar is how much faster. ठीक है? चलो वीडियो पॉज करके सॉल्व कर दीजिए. सॉल्व कर दीजिए ना. ठीक है? आई विल एक्सप्लेन. कमेंट योर आंसर. ठीक है? आई विल एक्सप्लेन. 80 to 2.5 मोलर हमको तो हाफ लेट दे दिए. पहले मैंने क्या बोला? शॉर्टकट में ट्राई करना पड़ेगा पहले. सो 80 to 2.5 मोलर ना. सो राइट में फर्स्ट 80 हाफ ऑफ डिवाइड हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है? एक बार चेक कीजिए. 80 मोलर 80 में हाफ कितना था? 40 40 में हाफ कितना था? 20 20 में हाफ कितना था? 10 10 में हाफ कितना था? 5 5 में हाफ कितना था? 2.5. ठीक है? आ रहा है. So 80 to 2.5 and half minute. हमको half minute कितना देता क्वेश्चन में 7 minutes दे दिया. So 80 to 47 minutes. Here also 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 total. How much time? How much time here? 7, 5 ना. So answer will be how much here? 7 into 5 means how much of 10? 35. ठीक है. और इस क्वेश्चन में और एक तरीका ही देते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन में तो हाफ लाइफ तो स्ट्राइट ही दिया था. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस क्वेश्चन में तो लाइक दिस दिया. T75% is given as 14 minutes. The question is here. क्योंकि T75 एक्चुअली हमको T50% नहीं है. T75 की वैल्यू, 87 की वैल्यू, 93 की वैल्यू, कोई भी वैल्यू की वैल्यू हमको T50 की. तो हमको T75% is given. 275% means how much half? 2 T half. So therefore T75% means 2 T half. So this is 40 minutes is equal to 40 half. So half life is how much? 7 minutes. Then you can apply. ठीक है, ऐसा you can apply that. Means half life what have we given? Half life given 75. What are these values given? You can easily solve the question without wasting the time. ठीक है, these are one type of model. You want some more type of models in this first order. Means we discussed some models because all models are not possible in that video. So for more type of applications you want, or different type of questions you want, and conceptual part and note and everything there means here Aryabhatta is in Barampur, it is there. You have to enroll your admission here. We will explain detailedly point to point and everything here, because we explain this thing maximum to maximum. This same model questions will be repeated in your mains NEET exam here. Because just we are explaining here 1 or 2 models only. When you attended here means we explain detailedly and elaborately. And if you have any doubts are there means we can directly communicate with you. And in that library session also there, we will explain you, and we will spend some time with you also. Okay? So you have to enroll here. Okay? Now, some other model question regarding this one. First order. Means today our applications are first order. Okay? Now, other model is what happens here. This. One more shortcut. So suppose हमको concentration is equally not divided, means 10 to 5 like this, not divided. Then how to apply? There also one shortcut is there. You no need to go for this formula. Actually, this formula, what is the soul of this formula? Means the formula gives what is the information means A converted to A minus X. What is the time taken? T is the time taken. Concentration A converted to A minus X. T is the time taken. So here, in first order specialties, this ratio is constant. A by A minus X is constant. Time is constant. First of all, हम के क्वेश्चन है. How it is given in a first order. In a first order, concentration of in a first order, concentration of reactant change from 36 molar to 6 molar is, for suppose, 2 minutes. Okay. Now question asks the time required to change the concentration from 42 molar to 7 molar is how much dust? Actually, when fixed application क्या देता ऐसे given means you have to convert it to halves. So half करने पर 36 में half कितना था 18 में half कितना था 9 में half कितना था 4. But here आपको question क्या पूछा 36 to 6 molar. So earlier procedure is possible or not possible? Not possible. तो earlier procedure क्या है equally half में divide होगा तो ये एप्लीकेशन यूज होता है. बट इधर क्या हम तो 36 to 6 मोलर एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. तो उस बार क्या सोचना पड़ेगा? नो नीड टू गो अप्लाई दिस वन. मैंने अभी बोला ना A by A minus X is same. टाइम इज कांस्टेंट. अभी चेक करो 36 to 6 मोलर टेक रेशियो 36 by 6 how much? 6. Okay. Now question asking for which one? 42 to 7. So 42 by 7, how much? 6. So A by A minus X, this ratio is constant, means time will be constant. So here what is the answer? 42 molar to 7 molar of answer, what happens? 2 minutes more. This is the logic. When you apply the logic, it saves your time. Because same question when you apply here, it takes more than 5 to 7 minutes. In NEET exam it is not possible क्योंकि हमको एक क्वेश्चन के लिए तो एक मिनट टाइम हो जाता है और फिर एग्जाम हॉल में हमको फिर टेंशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है इसलिए यू हैव टू मस्ट लर्न दिस शॉर्टकट्स ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू चेंज इन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन फ्रॉम 90 मोलर to 18 molar is 25 seconds and time required to change in concentration from 50 molar to 10 molar is how much? अभी सॉल्व किया पास करके सॉल्व कर ठीक है व्हाट इज आंसर Answer is 25 seconds. Because 90 to 80, so 90 by 80 how much? 5. Here also what is the ratio? 50 to 10. 50 by 10 how much? 5. So ratio is same. Ratio same means time will be same. ठीक है ऐसा ही अप्लाई करता चल ठीक है ना एंड वी लर्न वन मोर कॉन्सेप्ट रिगार्डिंग दिस फर्स्ट ऑर्डर ओनली ठीक है in first term, this is mainly for the JEE. NEET students also in 2016 at that time this question is given based upon this model. You can apply this one. So here, this concentration come from A to A minus 6. What is the time take? T is the time take. This is the thing. Means A converted to A minus 6. T is the time. Actually, हमको question में ऐसे ही data भी question. Means concept only. First question is what is the time given in a first order at 20 minutes. Concentration of reactant is or at T or at T1 minutes. Concentration of reactant is some C1 given at T2 time or T2 minutes. Concentration of reactant is C2 given. Then asking here what is the half life. ठीक है तो इसको क्या कैसे करना पड़ेगा हमको तो फॉर्मूला है हाफ लाइफ इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला 0.693 by k तो हाफ लाइफ करना है तो क्या चाहिए k चाहिए ठीक है हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस वन मैंने अभी क्या पूछा a कन्वर्टेड टू a minus 6 t is the time take ठीक है here तो data is there at t1 time reactant concentration is c1 at T2 time concentration is C2. So here what is the information of concentration is coming from C1 to C2. How much time taken? This difference in the time or not? T2 minus T1 is the time taken or not? So T1 time concentration C1. T2 time concentration C2. So concentration is changing from C1 to C2. How much time taken? T2 minus T1 is the time taken or not? So the formula क्या होगी k equal to 2.303 by T2 minus T1 into log of C1 by C. Means C1 converted to C2. How much time take T2 minus T1 is the time here? Questions. In a first order. In a first order. At 10 minutes. Concentration is something, some 80 molar is given. At the 20 minutes, concentration is some how much to take. Some 20 molar is given. Then asking here, find half. Not find k. For the k it is solve this. Solve it. Find k. Then how to solve this one? 10 minutes means T1 time with the concentration given. At the T2 time also concentration given. So what is the formula there? K equal to 2.303 by T2 minus T1. What is the T2 minus T1 here? 20 minus 10 into log of C1. What is C1? 80. What is the C2? 20. Now solve it. 24 is the so 2.303 by 10 into log 4. What is the log 4 value? 0.6. Like that you have to find the k. For some half-life aspect, you can find it half-life. Half-life formula क्या है? 0.693 by k. this k value substitute, you got the half-life answer. Okay? Okay? I will give one more question. You can solve. No, same one neither. I will tell you one more concept also again. Then we can apply. For suppose, इस क्वेश्चन में हमको क्या दिया था एट t1 टाइम पर कॉन्सर्वेशन गिवन t2 टाइम में कॉन्सर्वेशन गिवन पर सपोज हमको क्वेश्चन में तो दिया ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर हमको गिवन एट t1 मिनट्स rate is given for suppose rate is r at t2 minute में rate is given some r2 then asking what is the k then how to apply हमको concentration से प्रॉब्लम पता है बट अभी क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया था rate is given and first order mention how to apply अभी हमको क्या प्रॉब्लम है फर्स्ट ऑर्डर rate means k into concentration फर्स्ट ऑर्डर इज पावर वन है ना अभी ये अप्लाई कर सो रेट r1 is equal to k into suppose at t1 time concentration c1 you take c1 power 1 rate r2 is equal to what is happen k into c2 power 1 take ratio so what is happens r1 by r2 is equal to c1 by c2 so in c1 by c2 place you substitute r1 by r2 so right formula what is happen k equal to 2.303 by t2 minus t1 into log of what is formula r1 by r2 based upon this one earlier in CBSE the average given that NEET exam at that time based upon this one the question is I will give the question you solve it okay straight substitution only question is mentioned in a first order for molarity second inverse and at the molar it is some 3 molarity second inverse find half life ठीक है find half life फर्स्ट क्या करना पड़ेगा k find out then you sub find out the half ठीक है फर्स्ट करके सॉल्व कर दीजिए हो गया आई विल एक्सप्लेन नाउ ठीक है आंसर तो कमेंट में बता दीजिए ठीक ठीक हमको क्या दिया था at t1 time में रेट इज गिवन एंड t2 टाइम आल्सो रेट इज गिवन देन सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर्मूला क्या है k इक्वल टू 2.3035 t2 हाउ मच t2 हाउ मच दिस 30 मिनट ठीक है 30 minus 20 log of what is happening r1 by r2 rate how much here 4 here so 2.303 by 30 minus 20 means 10 log 4 by 3 means log 4 minus log 3 separately calculate log 4 value how much 0.6 log 3 value how much 0.477 so what is this value log 4 minus log 3 0.13 substitute here 2.303 by 10 into 0.1 ठीक है अभी क्या पूछा था हमको क्वेश्चन में हाफ लाइफ आस्किंग हाफ लाइफ इज इक्वल टू 0.693 by 8 substitute 0.693 by given how much 2.303 by 0.13 by 10 simplify you got the answer simplification is easy thing actually this is 0.3 then you can 0.3 into 10 by 0.13 means answer is how much here 3 by 0.1 this is what or order actually here these are some applications so, because we cannot teach every applications in that one day when you come to the class when you're sitting in a classroom means you have to feel some classroom feeling will be there because we will interact with you we ask the questions in the classroom and we will check it how much your response is there from that we will discuss that one in which standard we want to teach and how to improve your standards. ठीक है, क्योंकि सबको तो इनिशियली इंटेलिजेंट नहीं होते, कुछ इंटेलिजेंट वाला तो इमीडिएटली समझाते, किसी को तो एक दिन टाइम लगते हैं, किसी की तो घर में जाके रनिंग और रिवाइज करने में टाइम लगते हैं. ठीक है, सो फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफलाइन इज द important actually. Online is just an alternate. Online is not gives the proper education. Offline only the important here. For this type of questions and everything, you have to join in Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is in Baram. Already you know that familiar address because it's the old institute of Barampur, Aryabhatta. Okay, join here. We discuss a different type of models and we give that note for every. We give the running note for line to line, everything here. Because before NEET exam, you will read our running note. You don't need to hurry through the different books. You don't need actually there. You have to give everything in a proper note form. You have to use that note form, and we only provide you the assignments. You have to solve that assignments. Then your concept will be improved on. Then whatever the question given in that NEET exam, you can easy to solve it within the less time. Because our main concept is in case of NEET is time set. क्योंकि हमको सारे क्वेश्चन पता चलता है बट वी आर अनेबल टू सॉल्व विद इन दैट. तो इसके लिए क्या चाहिए, शॉर्टकट चाहिए. ठीक है, पर लाइक दिस मोर शॉर्टकट्स यू हैव टू एनरोल. ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट.